Okay, so welcome back to my latest video. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at Instagram. We're going to be specifically looking at some of the new features inside of the Instagram app. The first one is actually in Stories. There's a new feature where you can actually zoom into items whilst you are recording in Stories and zoom out again. I'll also show you how to download that story from within the app so that you could use it maybe as a YouTube short, an Instagram reel, or a TikTok video. And the second feature is that we're going to be looking at that zoom function inside of the Instagram Reels area. I'll show you how to zoom in using that function, and I'll also show you how to download your Instagram Reel from within the Instagram app so that you don't get the logo. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you can zoom in using your story camera and your Instagram Reels camera. So first of all, press the start button in your Instagram and go to Stories. Now I'm going to focus in on this picture. So all you have to do is press the button with your finger and keep hold of the button and lift it up towards the focal point of the picture or anything that you're trying to focus on, and then come back and let go. And that's all you have to do in order to focus on your picture in the story. Another thing I want to show you quickly is to download this story video for use elsewhere. Click the three dots and click save, and it's going to save that video to your camera roll. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that in your Instagram reel. So go to your Reels tab, again go to the camera button. This time all I want you to do the same again, press and hold, and then bring your thumb or the finger you're using to the focal point, and it's as simple as that. So once you've finished, let go, and then all you have to do is click next. Your video is all ready to roll. You can let go and just see. Okay, to download your video from Instagram as well before you publish it, just click the download button and it will download that to your camera roll. Just a quick note, they've got some great new text inside of Instagram Reels. If you click the three dots and go to text, you can see down the bottom, if I just put hello, that you've got different text options all the way through. And these first few are quite new inside of Instagram.
Wow, thanks Lisa, I never knew that.
Okay, so thanks for watching that video. I hope that was really helpful. I think it's going to be a game changer, especially if you want to zoom in on items that perhaps you are selling, products and things like that you might want to advertise. It's a great way of just capturing them in the moment, especially in stories, and zooming in and showing people what it is that you're talking about. It's also a great feature to be able to download those stories and videos from Instagram so that you can use them across other platforms such as YouTube, in YouTube Shorts, and also on TikTok. My name's Anita. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with anyone that you think might benefit. Okay, see you later.